I just gotta show you guys how fucking hardcore I went on this car today. That's right, guys, the entire pre-facelift dash, the gray version, not that crappy tan version, completely removed from the car in just a couple hours. That's right, every plug, every connector, every tab, the entire dash in perfect condition, all the harness connectors, all the brackets, nothing was bent, nothing was damaged, nothing was cracked, and this baby is one complete dash in literally mint condition. Well, it's old and dusty and 20 years old, but for a dash like this from the pre-facelift 90s, this thing is gonna clean up beautifully. And trust me, guys, this thing's gonna look mint condition after it's refurbished.